Here's a great deal on a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van is still under 75,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.